Assalamu alaikum and salutations to all the ladies and gents. Probably already know the project we've been assigned with, but for those who are forgetful, feast your eyes upon the magnetic accelerator. You might think, but you're too young to make this advanced modern technology. But yeah, we are. But it doesn't mean we can't make a more simple version made with easily attainable items. How, you ask? Here's how. So first you need magnets, obviously. Make sure you arrange them like this one part's south and the other one is north. And make sure you arrange them separately with different distances. Oh, and make sure you have metal bars to keep them together. Then you have to put your model under the cardboard platform. Oh, and here's the fun bit. You'll need a cylinder-shaped magnet with one side north and the other side south. And voila, your first model is done. For a second model, instead of using cubic magnets, we're using flat magnets. But you could still use cubic magnets. For this, you'll need to separate the north and the south. But at the end of the model, you have to put different magnet pole from the others. And you'll need a sphere magnet. You'll still need a platform, but in V shape. And as you can see, the distance also needs to get smaller the further it goes. And lastly, you put your metal ball and voila, your second model is done. So, you might be wondering how does model work? Well, for a first model, remember when I said you need to make the distance between the magnets smaller? Yeah, well that's because you need to make the magnetic force stronger the further it goes. If the distance between the magnets are the same, the cylinder-shaped magnet will move forward because the strength of the magnetic force are all the same. So, if the magnetic force gets stronger the further it goes, only then will the magnet move forward. Thus, the magnet accelerates. For the second model, it's actually just the same method as the first model. The only difference is that the pole at the end of the model is different because we need to make the sphere magnet stop moving because it has the same pole as the others. So that's all there is actually. It's pretty easy, so now you can try it yourself. Okay, that's done. Now, you might ask, what are the uses of magnetic accelerators? Well, a lot of things actually use its concept. There's also a certain video game that has a weapon based on this concept. You might know it as a Gauss rifle, if I'm even pronouncing it right. It's basically a gun of mass destruction, that's it. Of course, many people have recreated it in real life, but of course, the functions differ. Some other things that uses this concept are the bullet train and roller coaster. There is also an innovation that people created using this concept. It uses magnetic acceleration to generate electricity using a similar concept as a wind turbines. Here is a similar model to how it works. Of course, it doesn't fully function, but this is how it works. So that's all for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed and learned a thing or two. And most importantly, whatever you do, don't forget to like and share. Well then, assalamu alaikum and peace out.
We'll